And hello, greets and good afternoon, all. Peace. Namaste. Hey. Hope you can hear me. It's a little bit after 5:30 in the afternoon here in my neck of the woods on Sunday, June 23rd, 2024. Just wanted to pop in and give you a quick glimpse of the valley below. There is a wicked windstorm blowing by, and yeah, it's kicking up some things for sure. I took Chewy out for a walk down below a little while ago, perhaps about an hour or so ago, and it being her first outing of the year, she was not very pleased. Let's say there was a lot of caterwauling, and I got a massive scratch on one of my fingers from trying to pick her up and make her feel all safe and sound while a torrent of wind was encircling us. It was quite spectacular. I really enjoyed it. I love being in the midst of nature's embrace, especially when the wind is blowing all around. I love dancing in the rain. So awesome. I was able to do a little bit of that at work. We had a birthday party for some of our colleagues on Friday afternoon, and on the roof of the building there is a patio and a gazebo-like setup as well. So there is there's some construction, like what do you call it? I'm rambling now because I'm so distracted by the beauty of the wind blowing through the leaves. Can you see that? Anyways, yes, while we were celebrating, a storm cloud blew over and it started pouring a little bit on us, and while the others were scrambling to get the food and such inside, I took a moment to take it all in because the feeling was just pretty much incredible. Anywho, there's not much juice left in the battery, so I will stop rambling and let you take in the sights and sounds. Hopefully the sound of the wind rustling through the leaves will be picked up on this, and you can get a bit of the ambiance that way as well. And I'll pan to and fro so that you get as good of a visual as I can possibly share. Before the battery runs dry, of course. And if it does, while we are recording, I just want to take a moment to thank you, as always, for tuning in. It's always a treat. And until our paths cross once again, I wish you a great week ahead. And peace out for now. It being the summer solstice, let's try that once again. It being the summer solstice weekend of 2024, I'd like to think that the effects of the wind on the trees and the leaves is stemming from sun activity beaming down upon us. And if you dare to look it up, there's a lot happening up there right about now. So we should, you know, try to tune our antennas that way and find out more about the photons and just light energy that is flowing our way and filling our part of space up with awesome energy. Oh yeah, energy, it's what it's all about. Look at that. Just sensational. Sorry. It's just great. It's awesome. And there's some calm. And beside the calm, there is a lot of energy being stirred up. Any additional noises you hear in the background? It's coming from my neighbor's place. They have a little gathering happening there as we speak. It sounds like, I know there's... Oh, someone's getting in trouble. Okay, let's maybe look this way. And the battery's down to no bars. So again, yes, if this cuts out part way or soon, I'm so sorry, this is unscripted. But if this cuts out while recording, I hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds. Let's see, there's a bit of the river. And there's some train tracks. Hopefully I'll be able to show you some deer and coyotes from these here woods. Told you somebody's getting in trouble. Uh-oh. Well, it's pretty interesting how clean that line of trees, or the tree line is, or it was just now. Yeah, that looked like a really clean cut. Wow. Oh, while we can, I'll show you a glimpse of the skies above. And perhaps there's a correlation between the electricity in the clouds and the magnetism and the alkalinity of the trees that is creating this dance between the wind and the leaves. It's my attempt at poetry on the fly. On the wind. not on the fly. I don't want to put poetry on the fly. Okay, maybe a fly could benefit from poetry. I truly feel blessed having these many trees to keep me company. But I do, poetry aside or rhyming aside, I really do feel blessed to have this view, or this expansive view, especially being in the city. And now that I work downtown, I really appreciate this even more, because downtown, the view you get is somebody else's apartment. Like, it's no joke. And it could be less than 20 feet away. That's how close the condominiums are being built to each other. It's really suffocating. And I kind of comprehend while people have a certain type of feel downtown. They're colder, and I don't know, it's just different. But see, we're products of our environment, and nature and nurture do go hand in hand. I consider myself very lucky, having spent time on my grandparents' farm. Sorry, I cannot speak. No, I'm just mesmerized by the sights and sounds and feel. Ooh, the feel of the wind is so nice. Oh, Bubbaloo's? Bubbaloo. Need a Bubbaloo's? Treat. Treat, come.